Well, good afternoon. Mud Grip Mike here, still working on this CJ3. I went and bought a ballast resistor because my points keep getting burned up and they're only a couple of weeks old. So I'm going to put new points in it, but before I do, I'm hooking up this ballast resistor. Here's the wire coming from my ignition switch to the hot side of the coil. So I'm going to mount this thing over here, and I think in a vertical position like that. Hook this wire up to the coil and hook the red wire to the other side of it. And it's supposed to cut that voltage from 12 volts down to 9. And we're going to see if it's actually going to work. Well, I've got me two new hard wheels to put on that dolly. And on the little Jeep today, I made a couple of improvements, necessary repairs. I got my little wire welding machine and welded this bracket down here that will, so the seat is solid. And then right here, let me undo this latch. I put a ballast resistor on this red wire coming from the ignition, goes through the ballast and then to the coil. It's a 1.6 ohm, so it cut the 12 volts down to 10.5, which maybe I should have got a 3 ohm. It's supposed to be down to 9 going to that coil, but we'll see how that works. Thanks for watching.